Hey guys, it's Lawrence from Laws of Physio, and today we're going to teach you how to set up lumbar traction. So I've got my assistant here today and she's going to set it up. She's got no experience on how to do it, but we're just going to walk through it slowly, okay? All right, so the first thing you're going to do is just set up the bed. So I like to put a towel on the headrest just to protect the actual bed itself. So just like that, awesome. Okay. So we've got the lumbar traction attached here. The first attachment you need is this bottom piece, just there. You're just gonna lay it nice and flat, okay? In terms of the cables itself, just make sure it's not on the actual release, because if this pulls, then the head's gonna come up. So I like to put it on the outside, just there. Open it up nice and wide. And for the lower part, you've got two attachments just here, okay? You've got the first one that actually, this rope here that actually attaches to the traction unit. You're just gonna place it just down like that. And the second part is the padding. This will go around my hips. Again, opening it up just like that, okay? And I like to use a pillow under the person's head just to give them a little bit of support, okay? You're right to come in? Okay. So when you get them lying down, just on top of the bed, just like this, okay? Yep. And you're just gonna wrap the first one under my armpits. I get people to raise their arms, so just like that. Yep. And it's Velcroed in as comfortably as you can. Perfect. Yep. And the bottom part, just over the hips, just like that. Nice. Okay, and the hard part is this cable. Yep. So with this middle ring, you want that in line with like their groin, like right between their legs, okay? And on the side here, you just loop it in, yep, all the way through both. And then in between this one like that. Let's give it a nice pull down, nice and tight as you can. Good. And this span is just to attach onto the top of my hips just there. Easy? Cool. There are 2 foot knee rests just there. And just placing it under my knees. And this just helps to position your spine in a more neutral position so the traction unit can actually do what it does best, which is decompress. You got that hook in the middle? Yep. So that top hook goes into this right here. Awesome, yep, just clip it in, beautiful. And you got that ring there that attaches to the carabiner on the traction unit. Perfect, easy, and that's it. In terms of the emergency button, yep, pass it over here, and I like to slot it into this little hole here so we don't drop it by accident, okay? In terms of adjusting the bed, just as low as possible. Yep. Other direction, so lift up. There you go. So I like to put it on the lowest table setting, just so you can actually pull the back at about a 45-degree angle, but you change it depending on the person. Yeah, lowest as possible. Awesome. All right, turn the machine on. All right. Okay, the first knob is the max pulling strength. So I'll get you to put that about 32 kilos. Yep, so down to 32. Yep, yep, and the other one about 10, that's the resting pulling force. And the time on the, so 40 is 40 seconds on 32 kilos, and the 10 seconds is the resting time, okay? And you just press start. Beautiful, and that's how you set up lumbar traction.